Hello friends, you are watching Learning Horizon. In the last lecture, we have studied about exercise 2.1 and 2.2 of the NCERT of class 10. And in this lecture, we are going to discuss exercise 2.3, that is about division of two polynomials. This is the exercise 2.3 of the NCERT. In this, the first question is divide the polynomial px by the polynomial gx and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. The first part, px is equals to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and gx is x square minus 2. Here is the first part. Now we have to divide this px with the gx. Now how we will come to know that which of them will act as dividend and which of them will act as divisor. The polynomial with the highest degree will act as dividend, means this px will act as dividend, and the lowest degree polynomial will act as divisor, means this gx will act as divisor. So here is the dividend and here is the divisor. Now how we will divide them? First of all, see the dividend, their first term or the highest degree term is x cube. And here in the divisor we have the highest degree term as x square. We need one more x to make this divisor as x cube. So we need one more x. So this will act as a quotient. We will multiply this quotient with the divisor, that is x multiply x square is x cube, x multiply minus 2 is minus 2x. This will come under the 5x. Why? Because 2x and 5x are the like terms. Now we will subtract them. How we will subtract them? By changing the sign, that we know already. X cube, here there is plus x cube, that will convert into minus. Here we have minus 2x, that will changes to plus. So x cube minus x cube will cancel each other. Minus 3x square come as it is. 5x plus 2x becomes 7x and minus 3 will come as it is. Now here we need minus 3 to make this as minus 3x square. So we will multiply it by minus 3 and that will act as a quotient. So minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Again subtract them by changing the sign. Here we have minus 3x, that becomes positive. Here we have plus 6, that becomes negative. Then subtract them, they will cancel each other. Plus 7x come as it is. Minus 3 minus 6 becomes minus 9. This is the remainder. So at last we have quotient is equals to x minus 3 and remainder as 7x minus 9. This is the division of two polynomials. Now the second question is check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. We have to divide the polynomial and we have to check whether these are the factor of each other or not. Now to check whether px is a factor of gx or not, we have to divide these two polynomials and check that if remainder is 0, then that px is the factor of gx. If remainder is not 0, then that is not the factor. Clear? If on dividing the two polynomials we have remainder 0, then gx is the factor of px. If remainder is not 0, then gx is not the factor of px. This is the very important point. Now I hope you can do the second question. Now we proceed to the next question, that is question number 3. Obtain all the zeros of 3x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. This is the question number 3. Now we are given with x is equal to root 5 by 3 and x is equal to minus root 5 by 3 are the zeros of px. Px is the given polynomial. If they are the zeros of the polynomial, then it means that x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3 are the factors of the polynomial, px. Now we can multiply them. X minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. Now it becomes one factor on multiplying. This is the multiplying. Is the factor of px. On multiplying, we get x square minus 5 by 3. How? By applying the identity. A minus b, a plus b becomes a square minus b square. That is x square minus 5 by 3 is the factor of the polynomial. Now if it is a factor of polynomial, then we can divide them. It is the gx. We know the px. What is the px? Px is 3x raised to power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. And we have gx is equal to x square minus 5 by 3. Now we will divide this. Here is the gx and here is the px. Now on dividing, I will get remainder as 0. Why remainder 0? Because gx was the factor of the px. Now as after dividing, I have quotient as 3x square plus 6x plus 3. Now dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That we know already. Here is the dividend, here is the divisor and here is the quotient. Remainder is 0, no need to write it. Now on factorizing, we know that this splits into x minus root 5 by 3 and x plus root 5 by 3. And this can be splitted into the two factors by splitting the middle term or factorization. So this becomes 3x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 3. Splitting method is already discussed in the last video. And factorizing, we have 3x plus 3 and x plus 1 as the new factors. These are the old one which are we are given with in the question. Now equate these two factors equal to 0. Why we are equating equal to 0? To find the zeros. We have x is equals to minus 1 on equating to equal to 0, and by equating this is equal to 0, we have again x is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 are the other two zeros of the given polynomial. This is all about the question number 3. Now next questions are very simple and you can do your by yourself. And if you have still any query, you can comment in the comment section. I will try my best to solve your queries. If you also want me to deliver the lecture in Hindi, comment me in the comment section also. If you are liking my video, please subscribe, like and share as more as possible. Thank you.